I have a problem with limp dick. So I got one that's not so limp. Plus I got an increase in length.
For the hot boys.
For the hot boys. Alright, so what we did...
Yeah, quick rundown. Show me what you got. Show me what
we'll come over here. Okay. Show them and I'll talk. So a couple days ago we put... It's kind of hard to see. But we put...
light.
It's on the other side.
Alright, so now we have light. Now you can see what's going on here. Sweet.
So it's hard to tell right now, but we put in S13 control arms. So it gave me an extra inch of width. But the issue became I had super awesome alignment. So I ordered some new tie rods. And as you can see,
you mean not so super alignment. So
I got about an inch longer, and it works pretty good. This side's done. Just gotta finish up the other side now. But if you go this route, you lose your little power steering stabilizer or whatever. I don't know.
What does that do?
I don't know. This has the progressive power steering, but I think this is just a dampener, like those steering stabilizers you see on trucks. But I'm not going to use it. And this tie rod was bad too. So
yeah, mine's like that. I gotta do mine next. I just got hold of the rack though. Yeah.
Does yours have this on it?
I don't know.
So right now we're lucky we didn't have to worry about the sway bar link, but once we get coilovers, they mount to the arm, so I'm hoping we can use the S13 mount. Inside, just take some muscle, some lube. You know, lube's always good, so do that. Little pry bar action, but it does fit. It fits. And the big thing you gotta do, I don't think you can tell, but you have to re-drill the holes for the tension rod. So once you do that, I just took measurements off the stock arms and drilled it on here as I'm trying to line them up. Ball joint shank is the same, and then everything else bolts up. Oh, and I got excessive roll center adjusters, but I don't think the car's low enough, so I don't know. It'll be low enough one day. But yeah, it looks like it gave us about an inch each side, so 2 inches total, which probably, I don't know what to do with it. Not any good.
It's like Wise Fab Jr.
Yeah.
It's just training wheels.
Yeah. But because of the increase in length here, the tie rods weren't long enough, so we kind of messed around. We cut up some Subaru ones that were still too long. And so I ordered, I believe this is off it's a front wheel drive Corolla. But yeah, so this side's good. I do need to get a new boot because of that power strut thing.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, it's 2 boots, so I'm just gonna get another one like that other side and put it on here.
Gotcha, because I remember looking at the parts and the left and right boots were different. I was like, why would they be different?
Because here,
one fatter than the other. But
there's a little one that goes on the front of that strut thingy.
To cover that middle.
Yeah, and then this is the other one. So the car's not going anywhere next couple days, so I'll get another one. But so the inner, it's some front wheel drive Corolla, and then the outer is just a stock X8. So all the length came from the inner. So.
Your other option is to, Excessive makes these adapters, but those are like $60, and like we were thinking about it, like if you break one on the track, then you're kind of screwed. But if you
we're not good enough to not break things. So,
so if you use like stock parts from other cars, you can find them at the auto parts store. Maybe you can get by. So that was the idea behind trying to mix and match.
So yeah, that's this new fancy setup. So plan is finish this, get it eyeballs straight, and then roll fenders so we can fit the wheels, and then kind of cruise around for a little bit. I'll have to get this fixed, but the car doesn't run that often, so I had to take off the other side. But yeah, that's that for now. I'm gonna finish up the other side.